Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing reading for Taurus, and this is going to be a monthly reading for October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. I post mostly daily, and you can also now follow me on Instagram. And regarding the readings, guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everybody out there. So please take the positive and leave the negatives. All right. Now we have three cards out for you guys. I have already shuffled your cards, right? Now let's get to your messages. So messages for Taurus is meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. So I really feel that this is the time for you to make a spiritual journey here. Understand the, you know, things what's going on inside you and find some kind of clarity in that. All right. Meditate and contemplate the things what's happening around you. This is a time for healing. So take time to, you know, be with yourself, be with nature, and understand things more clearly. The energy is gaining momentum, which means that there is some kind of speedy process happening in your life. Now let's see whether we have any more messages for Taurus. Any more messages for Taurus, please? Messages for Taurus. Messages for Taurus, please. Messages for Taurus. Messages for Taurus, please. What are the messages for Taurus? Messages for Taurus. Any more messages for Taurus? Yes. Be bold and make the first move. Okay, if you are thinking about doing something and making the first move, this is the time for you to do it. So Cardinal Moon coming out and saying that be bold and make the first move. It's time to release negativity. Alright. Looks like you're thinking on something here. You're thinking about making a decision here, and I really feel that you're stuck, right? And this clearly says, this is a message clearly telling you to take time, be yourself, meditate, and find answers to your questions. Okay, this is the time for you to heal, remove all that negative energy from your mind, your heart, and your soul, and step into the divine, right? Understand that you have to be bold here and make a decision here. There is energy coming towards you, there is some kind of fast moving thoughts or process here, but I really feel that you are stuck back and you're not making a move, right? This clearly says that the energy is picking up, the momentum is picking up, and this is the time for you to make the first move. If you are thinking about a person you are in love with, or if you want to make the step, make a first move into a direction where you want to work on something or a project, this is the moment where you step up and talk to them. And it's time to release the negativity, which means that remove the old and bring in the new energy. All right, now let's get some tarot for you guys. Messages for Taurus, please. What are the messages for Taurus? Messages for Taurus, please. King of Swords here. All right. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Looks like somebody made a decision here. All right. And Three of Wands. Somebody moved on from a relationship or an existing situation. This is like somebody moved on to a new journey, and hence somebody is awakening. So somebody have cut you off, or somebody have made a decision to move on to something new, which is which has been really putting a lot of stress on you. Or this might feel that you are in a place of realization here, you might feel that you have lost somebody here, or you might feel that you might be in a relationship with somebody and there was some kind of a situation where they left, right? And I really even feel that you might have been thinking about starting on something, but this person or this situation is holding you back here, because there is a realization here. There is a huge wake-up call here with a judgment. Let's see messages for Taurus, please. What are the messages for Taurus? Messages for Taurus, please. What are the messages for Taurus? Six of Swords. So there is somebody has moved on, definitely, like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. So I feel that there was somebody in your life who has stopped being in contact with you, or there was an ending here and somebody started on something new, you know. And there was some kind of realization that this person might be the one, and I really feel that they have moved on from this situation. All right, or you might think that they have moved on, right? Now let's see messages for Taurus. Take it as it resonates, guys. Energy can be vice versa, so please take it as it resonates. Okay, we have the Hermit here, Virgo energy. So there is somebody who is taking time. This might be a spiritual connection, this might be a soulmate connection. This can also be you stepping into your spiritual side and finding answers to your questions, bringing more clarity here, all right? Ace of Pentacles. This might be starting off something new, money coming in, materialistic stability here with the Ace of Pentacles. And this might be even a new opportunity starting forward, bringing a huge stability into your life. This might be even starting off something long term here. And the Two of Pentacles, one and two coming together. So, which means that you might be juggling right now, or you might be having multiple things in your hand. I really feel that you might be busy now. Alright, then we have the Death here. This is all about ending of a cycle, or this might be even transformation. You might be transforming yourself here. Alright, and then we have the Hangman here. Hangman talks about delay, or this is somebody making taking one step back and putting all the effort into their thoughts. They are stuck up in their own thoughts. Now we have Eight of Pentacles. Somebody is putting all the effort into their work here. Now we have the World at the back of your deck, back of the deck. So I really feel that this is like an ending of a cycle. You might be even realizing that this person might be your soulmate, right? Or this might be something. I really feel that this is an ending here. And if you feel that you need to make a move here, you should. Five of Wands here, Five of. So I really feel that there is some kind of totality here, or somebody wasn't completely focusing on a situation, or somebody was double-minded here. Five of Wands, there was conflict. Alright, so it looks like there was some kind of a conflict here with the Five of Wands as well. And then we have the Knight of Cups coming towards you, bringing some kind of an offer here, love offer here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. So there was some kind of conflict, and you might be feeling that there is some kind of a new offer coming towards you, or there was. So I really feel that there was some kind of conflict here, and then somebody has moved on to something new, or this might be an offer here, or somebody is bringing an offer or clarity towards the situation. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. The guy's crazy. Now, this is somebody bringing some kind of clarity into a situation, or this might be a new person or a new offer coming into you in terms of love there. Then there is a new vision here, which means that there is something coming towards you, bringing that clarity, or this might be even urging you to look from a different perspective. Alright, there is something new coming into your life, bringing stability with the We Are the World here, which means that you are a part of the universe, and you need. This is like teamwork here. Alright, there is teamwork here with the We Are the World, Ten of Pentacles, stability, materialistic stability coming into your life here. Now, alright, I really feel that this clearly says that there's a new vision, and I really feel that this is like starting on something new. There's a vision here. You might be having some kind of new ideas or new thoughts here with the new vision, and you're moving towards stability with the Ten of Pentacles or Ten of Rainbows here. This means that there is a teamwork being played, and I really feel that this is teamwork. This is like the universe standing by you and making things happen for you, bringing stability and abundance into your life with the Ten of Pentacles. Now, more messages for Taurus, please give me messages for Taurus. We did. Now, Six of Cups here. There is a soulmate twin flame connection here. You might be thinking about somebody here. Alright, with the Six of Cups here. This might be even reconciliation. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You might feel that you might be seeing this person in your dreams. This may or may not be a water sign. But I really feel that this is a person you have memories with, and you have strong bond, deep bond in this love connection. This is a love connection here. And we have the Ace of Swords here, consciousness. You might realize that this was something very deep, or this might be very much a soul connection here. And then we have the Queen of Pentacles. This is somebody who's very mature and bringing stability into your life here. So this can also be about bringing stability, understanding the situation and bringing that stability into your life, right? And then we have the Two of Cups here, which means that there is coming together or meeting your soulmate. If you are in a place where you're not in talking terms with each other, maybe that is the reason we are getting that you need to understand things and leave that stubborn nature of yours and move forward and release the negativity and start on with something new. You need to talk, you need to meditate, understand things, and then move forward. So I really feel that there is somebody coming back into your life, or you might be proposing, starting over here with the Two of Cups here. This is your soulmate twin connection here. This means that you are a partner here. And now we have Thunderbolt here. Sudden changes happening here. This this might be sudden, or you might feel that this realization might be sudden here. And then we have the Page of Pentacles here, which means that this is a spiritual journey, or this might be a journey you are taking. This might be a slow journey as well, so please take it as it resonates. All right, now let's get some clarity. All right, messages for Taurus, please. What are the messages for Taurus? What does Taurus need to know for October 2020? Protection. Call back your power. Cut the cords. Soul retrieval. Okay, this might be for somebody out there, which means that there was a negative situation in your life and it's time for you to cut back or cut off those. So there is no here. So which means that wait, postpone, pause, say no. So even if you feel that if there's an energy which keeps you constantly thinking that this is not a good situation for you, this answer is no if you're thinking about doing something. All right. Now awakening, energy upgrades here. So which means that there is an awakening coming towards you, or you might be awakening in this period of time. There's an integration here. So you might be understanding there's a new way of things around you, right? So which means that you might be moving on to something better, or you might be understanding things on a more soul level here, all right? This is integration. Now we have double mission, channeling and uplifting humanity. So I really feel that this is a time for you to understand things more clearly. All right, there is an understanding coming towards you. There is a divine intervention, and I really feel that you will know that there is a huge wake-up call here for you guys. All right, now let's see messages for Taurus. Messages for Taurus. All right, 28, the Man, the Tree, and the Birds. All right, looks like a strong bond between somebody here. Don't go with the picture. There's a male here. The Man, the Tree, and the Birds here, which means that there is a strong communication coming towards you. This might be a strong bond you had, and I really feel that there was some. I feel that there's communication coming in for you guys. Now let's see. The Sun. Wow. Okay. Birds again, and the 10. All right. So I really feel that there is. So if you feel that you have cut off this person, there is communication coming in, and with the Sun here, there is a huge awakening. There's so much of awakening here in your reading, which means that there is a huge realization here. So with the Sun and the Birds, it's like you're feeling, it's like you're understanding from within that there is this person brings happiness, or there is some kind of communication bringing happiness into your life. You might not be in touch with this person. They might be you might have had an ending with this person, but there is communication coming and bringing all happiness into your life. So this person really brings that happiness, bright light, into your life here. And with this communication, your strength or your bond is strengthening here. There is strong communication indicated here, all right, in both ways. And there is a communication which has been cut off, but I really feel that with the Sun here, and I really feel that there is some communication coming towards you guys. So which looks like this is a strong bond here, and I just happen to see that. So there's a bridge here. So there is connection coming back, or there is connectivity here with you guys. If you feel that you're cutting off if you're cutting off this relationship, you need to think twice. Release that negativity and say no to a situation where you are no longer want to go through. But there is an awakening. So listen to your intuition. All right. So guys, this is your reading for October 2020. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.